San Antonio Police Department. This is Derek. I can help you.
Hi, I was calling because I just left the store, the pit stop, and there was a few guys out there, and one pulled out a gun, and he was threatening the other guy that he was going to shoot him, and he was right in front of the store, so the store owner wanted me to call it in. It was like a group of people, I guess, they kind of just stationed there all the time. He was on his bike, and then he went up to the guy told him no, so then he went back to where he was, but then pulled out a gun and said that he was going to shoot him.
Okay. And so how many people did you see there total?
1, 2, 3, 4. Minimum 4, it could be more.
Okay. And the one that had the gun, what did he look like?
He was he was on a bicycle, he had a hat. I'm not sure if he was white or Hispanic, but
Was he light complected?
Yes, light complected.
And what was he wearing?
He had a backpack on, and I think he had like blue jeans and a shirt. But I didn't. I saw the gun. My eyes went to the gun, and that's why I was like, I told the store owner, and she said if I don't mind reporting it.
Okay. And do you remember the color of the shirt?
No, I couldn't. But he's the only one that's not African American that was over there.
.240 on Odessa going southbound. There's a male on a bike. I'm gonna turn around and see if that might be him.
Exactly, 3250, do you copy? Southbound Odessa, a male on a bike, that might be our suspect.
Yeah, 240.
Has been updated.
He doesn't have blue jeans on, but he does have a backpack. He's heading towards, he's on Whitecliff heading towards Diane. Have 250 go that way. Yeah, 240 gonna be on Diane, crossing over Stoneleigh. I'm gonna let him get away from this school. He's on foot now. He's right here at the corner.
He's there at the corner,
He's taking off his backpack. He's running southbound towards the next street over.
Drop backpack southbound, next street over.
He's in the alleyway.
Hey man, come here. Come here. Hey! 250, I got him. I'm running. You're running southbound. Get on the ground. Well, Crafton. West! West! Which way did he go? Okay. Stay back, stay back.
250, you're coming in fast. You said he's at gunpoint.
All right, you got it. All right, 240. He's in the alleyway. No, he's in an open field behind the car wash. He's got the gun in his hand.
He's in the alleyway in the open field, has a gun in his hand.
4230, give me a location. Give me an intersection.
All right, he's running back. Stand by.
White shirt, blue stripe. Wearing a white shirt with blue stripe, khaki short.
The white shirt, khaki short.
Shoot priority. Suspect out.
240, he's down.